Right, quickly going to be induction forging some screw blades. Of old screws, galvanized ones. But I'll be using induction. This battery was charged from solar power from when it was sunny. So let's get on with it. Not sure how many I'll be able to make, but we'll find out. Back. Vibration will be much. Shouldn't take too long to heat. There we go. It's the galvanization burning off. Alright, it's working well. Smells burning metal. Okay, that should be enough. Looks pretty glowy. Bending quite a bit. So straighten that. Better off putting this on the battery. Better view. What I'm doing exactly. Straighten this out a bit. That's the other end straightened. To work on it with a smaller hammer also. That's heating up very fast. Work out some of the kinks. quite bent by there, so it needs some more bending. Get in there. To get some heat on this in a sec, it's getting hard to work. Instantly starts smoking. Must be quite a bit of power from the solar charge during summer. Oh, it's glowing red now. Nasty. Good for working the metal though. Yeah, that's glowing red. Just work out some of the kinks. Make the end nice and pointy. Spooky. Very hot. I'll be sharpening these in a separate video most likely, or not, as they'll just be basically put on a kitchen sharpening stone after this. Likely retemper them as well. I have a video on that. Check my induction forging playlist. Could be a bit thinner, so I'll work on making that a bit thinner. Smells really bad. Nasty. Whoops. Ah, damn it. It's very hot. Ow, 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 ow. Even with gloves on. Burns. Weird shaped. Should correct that some. Mm. Walk it a bit by there. Fix that. Side, all that. Thought the camera was aiming at the anvil. Yeah. Motorbike. No, mower in the distance. Ooh, the blade is twisting. Not good. It's corrected its shape something. Get rid of some more serrations. It's going to need more heat. More heat it is. Wow, that's melting. Look at this. So much power in the battery that the coil has literally melted the board connections. Oh dear. Looks like they'll need to be soldered on properly. That's completely melted. Oh dear. That's not going to work again. And this induction forging thing, the induction heater, ZVS heater, is incredibly hot. Incredibly hot. Not so good with a leisure battery then. Guess there's a bit much power in these, even though I solar charged the thing. Huh. I see. Might be able to do a little bit more on that. Guess I should have turned it off. Solder hasn't melted or anything on it though. Well, that was interesting. There's the blade so far. Not bad. Could do with a bit of a clean up though, and it could be a tiny bit thinner. But I think I'll try and get rid of some more serrations here. Put the heater on for just a minute, just long enough to heat this blade a little bit. Yeah, the thing seems to be like overloaded or something. It's incredibly fast heating. Just turn it on and off. Seems to work. Losing my grip. It's been a while since I've done this. Twisting my blade. Too hot. Oops. It's not too hot actually. That's nearly done. now. Seems to be serration still on one side. Might have to grind them out. Or not. Last little flattening. Using a kilo hammer. That'll do. Much straighter. Should sharpen better. Oh, sorry. There we go. Boom drop. Sorry about that. I think I'll put it in the quenching pool now. I can sharpen it a bit later. Still have to heat it within this dodgy thing. Was very cheap from Banggood though, but it works quite well. As long as you don't keep it on for lengths of time. Ooh, nearly went in the water. That would have been bad. Somewhat clumsy. Okay. Just moving the induction heater up and down the blade, heat it evenly. It's already glowing red though. As you can see. See that? Glowing red steel. Quickly get this in the quenching pool. There we go. Quenched. Quite a bit of oxidization on there. I will need to remove that. That's off this though, off the Anvil. It'll just clean off. Well, it is. It's just rubbing off. Nice blade underneath that rust. So I'll clean that up later. Induction forging a screw blade. Well, solar induction forging. Bit different since it's for free. And turn that off. And I damaged my induction heater. Lesson learned. For the next forging,